Oh, Cap, sir. Oh, Cap, sir. How cruel you are. Because of you, I'm like this. I'm like this.
Don't have money. So, that is very good for you. If you are thinking without money, everything is okay, everything will be okay. No, it's not like that. So, I want to tell you.
Go again.
If you want to speak like that.
So, ladies and gentlemen, are you excited? Yes, sir. So, ladies and gentlemen, so which team will win today? Prime team? Yes, are you sure? Yes, can you win from Vinita? Yes, definitely. Okay, fine, guys. So this is called. Let's start. Thank you so much. Welcome everybody, the people and trainees of Prime Batch. I welcome you all. So today we have imitative activity. Imitative activity means to imitate person. You have to speak. Along with speaking, you have to act. And the way you will act, they will act and react as you have done. So are you ready for imitative activity? Yes, sir. So clap for your team first of all. This is called so-called clap. Clap! Yeah, very nice. So dear captain, Miss Shalu, and dear captain, Mr. Burjais. Yes, sir. Are you ready? Yes, sir. So who is Prime Batch? Which is Prime Batch? You are guys, right? Yes. So it is time of yours, and it is time for you to decide whether they should challenge you first or you should challenge them first. Now they will decide. Who are you to decide? You are no one here. Captain will decide.
Actually, there should be.
They should challenge you. Oh, so guys, you are going to come here, speak, act, walk. Let me tell you the aim and vision of doing this imitative activity, guys. We are going to develop two things. The first one, that is confidence, guys, right? A person who uses body language, does like this, like that, he actually becomes more confident. So try to use your gestures, try to use your postures so that you could be more confident. Along with this, we are going to develop our facial expression. Along with this, we are going to develop our speaking skill, guys. So more than acting, more than expression, you should focus on speaking as well. If you do not speak well, you will only act. I will not give you plus. I will not give you marks, guys. Okay? Some lines can be disbalanced. It's not about completely speaking the same line. Yeah, the sense should be same, but sentence cannot be same or should not be same, guys. All right. So here, Captain Shalu has decided that a person should come from this team and should do some activities so that these people can do like you do. Love me like you do. Who will come? Come like do, come on. Hey, Captain himself wants to challenge you guys. How Sasti team is. Exactly, how Sasti team is, guys.
You challenge, na?
I will not do.
You challenge.
You have to No, I have done. I was just doing
Oh
Masti.
my God. So
A person needs to challenge
okay.
from this team to them. They will come and do like you have done.
if you want to challenge, who will?
You want
You
to
come.
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 Okay. So you have to be imitative. No, leave this. Give it to me, right? Whatever you want, do it, but you have to speak as well, okay?
But dialogue is in Hindi.
It's okay, but dialogue should not... Okay, let's go. But you should speak at least 30 seconds.
Okay, sir.
1, 2, 3.
राठौड़, विक्रम राठौड़, जिसने भी सोचा कि मैं डर गया वो साला अर्थी पे अपने घर गया। राठौड़, विक्रम राठौड़। आज मेरी बेटी की कसम, अगर तुम सब में से कोई एक भी बच गया या फिर मैं तुम सब से 1 मिनट पहले मर गया तो पहले मेरी ये मूछें काटना, फिर जमीन में गाड़ना।
A great confidence. But it is common sense that everybody cannot remember the dialogue, okay? So you don't have to say complete dialogue, guys. You only can say Vikram.
Okay, sir.
Say whatever you want. But he was not laughing. He was doing like this. He was not laughing. Who can accept the challenge and speaks the dialogue? See, don't imitate the complete dialogue, but you should be more reactive. You must be more expressive. If you're more than him, you will be winner. Give him microphone. Okay.
Anyone can come, sir.
Huh? Anyone can come, of course. Actually, I'm sorry, you have to challenge, guys. Let him do first. Let him. After some time, he will do it. You have to do better than him and more than him. Be more confident.
बसंती, कुत्तों के सामने मत भूकना। बसंती, you don't broke front of the dog. बसंती, you don't broke front of the dog.
Bark!
बसंती,
Bark!
I will do again.
Don't bark. Don't bark in front of the dogs.
बसंती, you don't brag front of the dog. Brag.
Failed. Please come back. I'm sorry. You're winner, guys. Now English. It is not compulsory to have dialogue. You can be actor. You can react and say anything while speaking, guys. Next person.
English, but they speak Hindi.
No, it is not compulsory 100%, but you should. It is an advice. That is bark. It is not brock. Okay. It is still your turn, guys. You want them to challenge you, or you yourself want to challenge them? You want to challenge them, or you yourself want to? No. For them it is not easy, but you have to do it 1 minute continuously. While he's speaking, you have to do, no? No. And try to speak as well along with that.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Introduction.
Whatever you want. It's up to you. It's up to you.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. And I'm showing something that is a unique, of course. So today I want to walk like that, and you should copy it.
You should imitate that.
Yeah, you should imitate that.
And that is?
And that is,
Yes. Come
I
on.
can speak like that. I can do like that.
Yes.
I can speak like that. Of course you
Yes, yes.
like that.
Yeah, go again.
If you want to speak like that.
Who can do? Who can do? It is really unacceptable. No, you can't repeat. You are no more. Exactly, no more. No more. Hello. Manjais! 2, 3.
I challenge, guys. It is.
He's going. Okay.
I challenge, guys. It is international dance. Judith.
No, you don't have to challenge. You have to do like her.
Okay.
You have to do like her. Just like you have to speak as well. Along with acting, you have to speak as well. Speak. I want to do like whatever you.
I want to do. I like. No, sir.
Failed. I'm sorry. 1 plus, guys. 2 plus. 2 plus. I'm sorry. And Neetu something or the other she spoke as well. He didn't. What is this? No, guys, please don't act only. You have to speak as well. The well talk is the habab is speaking and you're not speaking. What is this? Next person from this team. Alright, yeah, Krishna, come on. You have to speak as well, along with.
Individually, we can challenge that.
Huh, you can. I can do it. Yes, but later on come. You cannot get it today. Okay, look at Krishna, he is going to do it.
Today I am very powerful man.
Wow.
I am Kali.
Yeah. Oh! Wow! Wow! Speak!
Powerful man.
You can listen. Huh?
I am very powerful man.
Huh? Wow! Huh?
Today anywhere we fight. Anywhere to challenge me. And Bahubali.
Yes.
Yeah.
Speak, huh?
Anywhere me challenge.
I challenge.
I challenge.
Huh?
So can here. So here. Fight. Yeah.
Yeah! Okay. AV. Oh, Krishna was like this. Come on, I'm great, Kali. He did it confidently. Come on.
Just your son. Just.
On.
Don't
Two.
sound, don't sound, don't sound.
Everybody clap.
Yes!
You have to, yeah, powerful.
Yes! My name is Abhi Prasad. I am from Uganda. And I am going to do like that person. Yes, I am the powerful. I am the imitating.
Huh.
I am going to
Imitate.
imitate you. Listen. Don't listen. Sir.
Oh, yes, sir.
Heavy. Yes, I can do like that person.
Oh, no!
I can do
Master! No!
Yes, sir.
What is this? First of all, no. This is completely violation of well talk. Why did you open your... If you were a girl, then what happened? There are many girls as well, there are many sisters as well. You're opening your body. It's not good. It's not a reality show. Okay, but it's okay. You were hiding your body. I mean, you had already t-shirt inside. But tell me, where did he open? He did not do that. Why did you do this? Ah! 3+! But in speaking, he was okay. In doing like this, he was okay. Push up was okay while he's speaking. But he did not open it. In challenging, you can open. Thank you very much. Please sit down. Okay, the next person from the same team again, who would like to come? But please do not open t-shirt. कोई पैंट ही खोल दिया अभी तो यार थोड़ा सा समझो. Try to understand. तो कॉन्फिडेंस बनाने के चक्कर में इतना ज्यादा कॉन्फिडेंट हो जा रहे हैं बताइए. Alright. अब इंडिविजुअल चैलेंज होगा गाइस. ऐसे कॉन्फिडेंट व्यक्ति में लग रहा है. You have to act and captain will challenge. Like for example, Vinita comes and does anything, so captain will say he will come and show. And you have to target unconfident people, please, because we have to boost everybody's confidence, right? Whatever you want, you can do and make it challenging. Okay, the captain will decide for them.
Start.
Yeah.
So today I am very happy. Oh my God! Today I am very late, and sir is scolding me. Oh my God! I like moving there.
My God! My God! What do you want? No. Brijesh will decide. Captain will decide who has to come. Why this one is very tough? Diksha! Good. 2, 3. Diksha, you only have to laugh. Huh. Be more confident. Yes, I think Diksha can do it. Diksha.
Guys, today is my birthday.
Nee, I think she understands she has to challenge. No, you have to do like her. She was doing her own. You have to do like her. Like she was laughing and she was doing like this. You saw, na? You noticed, na? You have to do like her. 1, 2, 3.
You are challenging me. I am happy, so happy. She's like that. One minute.
Yes.
Good and dancing.
The dancing was okay, but whatever she did, you're not doing that. No, one more chance. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Guys, I am so happy.
Yes.
You don't know happy? Oh, it's okay.
No. 4. This prime team is not able to do anything. You guys have it was very easy. You simply had to laugh. No problem. Okay, while talking, other person please come from this team. From this team. Haqqani Sahab. See, acting does not mean to only dance or do like this, like that, right? You can be angry, you can do other actings as well. Doing imitation doesn't mean to be only dancer or to do like that, right? Yeah. A captain decide. Anybody? Oh, 1, 2.
So do you start, sir?
Of course.
Oh, Cap, sir. Oh, Cap, sir. How you are cruel. How you are cruel.
How cool you are.
How cruel you are. Because of you, I am like this. I am like this. On the
My
name of
God.
Cap, sir. On the name of Cap, sir. On the name of Cap, sir. Please give me something. On the name of Cap, sir. Please give me something. On the name of Cap, sir. Please give me something. Oh my God. Thank you, my dear. Thank you. Oh my God. Oh my God. Thank you, sir.
Wow! Arey, they will challenge. Hello. They will challenge. Yes. Singing. Wow! Dancing. Wow! I'm dancing and singing. All right. Singing and dancing. Speak. Singing and dancing. Speak also. Speak. बोलो. हाँ. चलो ठीक हो गया. Very nice.
चाय 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 गरम चाय 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 गम चाय चाय गम चाय 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 गम चाय 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 hot tea speak English say something hot tea 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 morning time hot tea everyone morning time hot tea चाय 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 बोलो चाय चाय
very hot tea you can take, right?
चाय
Suniye, he is really doing well, but he does not have further explanation. You have to explain more. Guys, now it is winter, you can take tea. I know you have fever, you can take tea. Say something. You have to say something. Come on. Right, it is winter season, huh? Come on.
हेलो एवरीवन विंटर सीजन चाय 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 यस सर चाय चाय
It is so tasty tea.
वो टेस्टी ची इलायची लौंग के साथ चाय 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 चाय
Okay, okay.
चाय लो चाय गम गम समोसे समोसे ओ गम
Very
गम समोसे,
nice.
गम
Good
गम समोसे।
confidence. It's okay, good confidence, good confidence. Next person, you have to challenge, Shalu.
Rupali, you will have to.
Wow! Rupali! 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 Rupali, if your explanation is really good, you will win. Chai chai everybody can do, but I want more explanations.
It is a hot tea. Do you want chai? Chai. It is a very good. If you take tea, your tension has gone. Do you want? It is a hot tea and tasty with elaichi. If you want. Chai. Tea. I am a tea seller.
Fail! She was laughing. 2+, guys. 2. She is explaining, no doubt, but no imitation. She was not imitative, sir. You need to understand that. He was like chai, like chai. And she would tea. No. Hello, next person. 1, 2, 3. Acha.
Oh yes!
No, let him do whatever he wants.
Okay. Hello everyone, welcome back to my new video. How are you doing? I hope you are doing great. So today I will show you a very good activity. Are you ready? Yes. Are you ready, my audience? Yes. Can you do this? I am believe. Nobody can do this. Yes. Are you ready, guys?
First of all,
You are showing your talent in talent.
Yes, sir.
see, this imitative activity doesn't mean that we have to focus on acting only, okay? You have to speak as well. What have you spoken?
Today I am going to talk. I am going to show you. This is
Speak some contents as well, right? Go again.
when I do a
Try to speak more.
Okay.
We have Michael Jackson.
Try to speak some contents.
So, guys, today I
is
know-
the activity of imitative, so I'm doing this, right? I'm very confident. You also have to be motivate them for
sir.
confidence. Motivate them by doing.
Hello guys, today I am going to show you a very good activity. It is actually imitative activity.
Imitative, yeah.
Imitative. Can you do this, guys? Yes. I know you can't do this. I know you can't do this. I believe. Let me show you guys. Do you know guys what is this? This is moonwalk. This is moonwalk. And Michael Jackson was expert in this moonwalk. He was very famous dancer. Yes. Yes. And he was very famous in the world.
Whistling.
Okay, it isn't. Okay, very nice. Yes, guy, he spoke. Unlike this, guys, you have to speak. Don't do acting only. He spoke very well. Okay, any person, please? Just thrust your feet and speak something. They will challenge. Shalu will challenge. Shalu. Challenge to the captain. No, captain is no more.
Yes, sir.
What?
So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to do something different. Actually, I'm knowing by my modulation.
I'm known.
I'm known by
By?
my modulation, with my fluctuation, with my modulation, and with my euphemistic
Behavior.
speaking.
Speaking, yeah.
So
So today,
I am going to do different, and you will have to copycat.
you'll have to be copycat.
You will have to be copycat, and I'll challenge you individually, and you will have to do okay. So I'm going to tell you the value of money. The value of money, guys. If you don't have money, no one can ask you what you have condition.
I can feel that.
Feel that person who doesn't have money and then need money. For what? For what? For food. For only 2 times for food. And if you are thinking you don't have money, so that is very good for you. If you are thinking without money, everything is okay, everything will be okay. No, it's not like that. So I want to tell you, quote in English. What? Sometime, guys, you will have to listen carefully. Sometime, the thing that you think is not the thing that you think. So you will have to speak the quote. Sometime the thing that you think is not a thing that you think. I'm going to tell him. Yes.
Wow! Who should? Somebody who can speak?
Sophia.
Sophia! Sophia! Sometimes the thing that you think is not the thing that you think. जीत जाएंगे. Line matter नहीं करती. Line doesn't matter. Quotation doesn't matter. But moderation. 1, 2, 3.
Good afternoon, everyone. So today, I'm gonna talk about needy people. You know what, guys?
Yes!
Needy people like this.
Hey, we have to listen as well, huh?
Please give me some money. Please give me some money. And sometimes, like, oh my God, what I'm doing this, what I'm doing. And
और चाहिए. Yes. Guys, money is very important. Money is important.
guys, money is very, very, very expensive. And you know what, guys? Sometimes I feel that money is very important.
बहुत अच्छे.
Because in this time, you feel you go anywhere
Yes.
and you purchase some food.
Yes.
Like you feel it biryani. That time, shopkeeper, you should go, no, you have no money, you will go.
guys, you have to work hard.
you have to
Work hard. Earn money.
Earn money.
Yes.
Without money, you cannot survive.
You cannot survive.
You cannot survive.
Hey bhaiya.
Hey bhaiya.
Hey bahini.
Hey bhaiya.
Earn money.
Earn money. Without money, any person, no ask.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Turn his hair, guys.